Hey everyone, and welcome to the Tesla Daily Investor. It's the 14th of February 2025 and it's around 6:50 here in London, and I'm about to do my second investment of the day. So anyone who's new to the channel, this channel is all about long-term investment. My goal is to build a $1 million portfolio, and my investment horizon is between 5 and 10 years. So I'm just going to buy and hold for at least 5 years. What I'm going to invest in are three companies that I really believe in: Tesla, MicroStrategy, and NVIDIA. So these are my long-term stocks. At Tesla, because I'm big on robotics, I'm big on the robo-taxi, and I think it's got a very, very bright future ahead of it. MicroStrategy is my Bitcoin play because they have a large holding in Bitcoin, and NVIDIA because there's like £1 trillion worth of central processing units that will eventually be replaced by graphical processing units, GPUs. So all three of these companies have the potential to 3x, which is why I'm purchasing it. So the first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to purchase Tesla. So before I do that, I'm going to have a look at the portfolio today. So if I have a look at the general investment account, it's just under 85,000. The stocks and shares ISA is just above 12,000, and the self-invested personal pension is under 1,000. So the first thing, I'm going to go to my ISA and then I'm going to invest in Tesla. So I'm going to get Tesla up. Let's have a look how it's doing today. So if I look at the 1 day movement, it's down around 0.5%. So it's not a lot of movement today. If I look at the last 7 days, it's down 6%. Last month, it's down nearly 15%. Last 3 months, up 4%. Last 6 months, up about 60%. Last year, up 76%, and the maximum over the last 5 years up 518%. So it's a very, very volatile stock. It's not for everyone. If you can handle these volatility, if you can handle these swings, then this might be a good opportunity for you. But if you get afraid, or if you're not comfortable with when the stock goes down 20-30%, then this may not be for you. But again, I used to do that as well. I used to really like it. I used to buy these stocks, and when they used to go up, I used to get really happy. But then when it goes down, I used to sell it. But this time what I'm doing, I've got a long-term horizon and I'm doing regular investments, and I'm not too concerned about the short-term fluctuations. So I'm going to buy Tesla stock now. So I'm going to buy £70 worth. So I'm going to review the order, confirm the buy, and I'm just sending the order through now. So the Tesla buy order is complete, so that's done. The next thing I'm going to look at and buy is a MicroStrategy. So if we have a look at MicroStrategy, its largest holding is in Bitcoin. The way I invest is I invest in my individual savings account, and in the UK, within an individual saving account, you get £20,000 worth of limit that you can invest in, and when you use that, you can use up to £20,000, and then any gains within that £20,000, you don't have to pay any capital gains tax on that. So it's a great way to grow your wealth without paying any taxes when you do sell the position. So the reason I'm buying MicroStrategy through my ISA is because you can't directly buy Bitcoin or any coins through a ISA or a SIP. So this is the best way to do it through the back door. So let's have a look at the 1 day movement for MicroStrategy. So today it's up nearly 6%. Last 7 days is just flat. Last month is down about 5%. Last 3 months down 10%. Last 6 months up 153%. Last 1 year up 378%, and the maximum it's been up just over 2,200%. So as you can see, it's an extremely volatile stock. I actually bought this about 5 years ago, and I bought quite a large substantial amount, but I didn't keep it. I think I made like 10-20%, and then I sold it. But now looking back, had I kept this one, I would have made a lot of money. If I kept onto it and I added to it, I would have even made more money. So I'm gonna buy MicroStrategy now. So I'm going to buy £20 worth. So I'm just going to confirm the buy, putting the buy through, sending the order, and that's done. So MicroStrategy buy has been completed. And now what I'm going to do is I'm going to look at NVIDIA. So as you can see, NVIDIA is trading at 137.30 today. The daily movement is up 1.5%. Last 7 days up nearly 6%. Last month up nearly 3%. Last 3 months down 2%. Last 6 months up 5%. Last year up 89%. And over the last 5 years, it's up 1,752. So again, I had quite a large holding in NVIDIA in 2021, I believe it was. And again, I think I bought quite a large amount, but then I sold it at a loss when it went down. So again, if I had kept it, I would have been up nearly 1,753%. And if I kept on adding to it as well, then you know I would have probably had my $1 million portfolio already. But this is just goes to show that buy and holding a great company can make a lot of wealth. So that's what I'm gonna do now. So I'm gonna buy NVIDIA, so £10 worth. So I'm gonna review the order, confirm the buy, sending the order through, and the NVIDIA buy has been completed. So I've done the second investment of the day, and I've invested another £100 into the stock market. Before the market closes today, I'm going to invest another £100. So every day, what I try and do is I try and invest £100 3 times a day whenever the market is open. So this is just to build my investment habits. In the past, I used to invest and leave it, invest and then leave it, but I'm determined now to see this through. I'm determined to make a $1 million portfolio, and this time whatever happens, I'm just going to keep on buying every day when the market is open. Every day I'm going to be putting £300 into the market until this portfolio grows to at least $1 million. So follow me on my journey. If you find these videos useful, like and subscribe. If you have any questions or comments, write them below and I'll give you a detailed response. But yeah, join me on the journey. If you're new to investing, if you want to do something like this, you don't really have to invest once a month. If you want to invest every day, that's fine. If you want to invest 3 times a day, that's fine. So it's entirely up to you, and it's up to you to build that habit. So in the UK, there's so much money sitting in savings account and people are not investing it. So if they were to make that jump from saving to investing, they'd be able to grow their wealth. So hopefully people will see videos like this and hopefully they might get inspired and might even join in, and they don't have to like put in £100 3 times a day. They can just put in like £5 3 times a day, £1 3 times a day. In free trade, this account, you can actually buy these stocks for like £1. So you know, there's no excuse. Basically, if you want to invest, if you want to start to invest, just start with £1. Have some stocks or have a fund that you really believe in, and then slowly start investing £1. Learn more about what you're investing in, and then once you increase your conviction, then invest even more, and then just keep on doing it. Keep on doing it. The more you invest, the brighter your future will be. So that's all for now. I'll make another video before the market closes. So have a great day. Take care. Bye.